Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed your CFAL weekend and are ready for another exciting week of chemistry labs. So this week we're going to be calculating Avogadro's number. I'm going to just go through some of the things that you're going to be doing this week in lab so you have a little basic understanding of what's going on. So when you get into lab, the TA or the instructor will have drawn out pipettes that you will be using. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to calibrate your pipettes, and you're going to do that by getting about 4 milliliters of stearic acid in a graduated cylinder, and you're going to record the concentration as well as the volume of that. And then you're going to draw it up with your pipette, and you're going to drop 100 drops using your pipette. So 1, 2, 3, all the way to 100, and you're going to calculate exactly how much each drop is worth, okay? And you want to get it to about 0.1 milliliters per drop. So then what you're going to do is you're going to, if you haven't gotten it to 0.1 milliliters, then you're going to have to get a different one, or you're going to, if you did end up having 0.1 milliliters, then you're going to use that same pipette. Then what you're going to do is you're going to get a large watch glass. As you can see right here, I have one already. And you're going to create a monolayer. So what I did is I put a watch glass and filled it with water, so you can see that it's covering the entire surface of the watch glass, and you're going to measure the diameter of your watch glass in centimeters. So when you're looking at it, there's inches and there's centimeters. You're going to measure the diameter of it in centimeters. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your stearic acid solution and you're going to add it dropwise to your watch glass, and as you can kind of see, it's forming a little monolayer. Okay, well, I'm doing this pretty quickly. You're going to do it dropwise, and you're going to count each drop. And since you know how much volume is in each drop, you're going to be able to calculate exactly how much stearic acid you're putting into your solution. Okay, so you're going to do that until the stearic acid covers the entire until there's a drop and it persists on the very top of the monolayer. So it's no longer a singular layer, you have an additional drop on top. When you see that, you know that you can stop. You may start to see it whenever you're adding your drops, when you think you're close to the end, but wait about 20-30 seconds. And if it goes away, then you're going to keep adding, okay? Once you start to see it kind of persist a little bit, you'll want to slow down in your experiment so that way you know exactly what's going on. And my suggestion is to do this near the sink, so that way once you're finished with your watch glass, you can take it and you can just slide it over, because it's going to be very full. You can slide it over and just dump it into the water or into the sink. Okay, since stearic acid, or rather stearate, is what we use to make soap, it's very much safe to go ahead and put that down the drain. And that's all we have for this lab. Hope you guys enjoy.